What do you want to say?
Bye. Hi. I love you.
What do you want to say?
I not know. I not know. Not know. Not know. I know. I love you.
Wow, was that a crazy reaction? I missed it.
Not this one.
I know, it's too big, huh?
Let's take this one.
Okay.
We have to do this one for a couple.
You like that down here?
Mommy, this one had to go on her.
Okay. What is wrong? Watch the Barbie house. Are you just picking on her? Get it, Bobby, get it, Bobby, get her. Get her, Bobby. Get her, Bobby. Come on, I'll help you.
No.
I'll help you. Let's corner him. Get it, get it. I'll hold him. Get her, get her, get her, get her. Get her. I'm trying to help you, Pop. Hey, listen. That's Poppy's. And you only took it from her just to take it from her. You gonna cook some dinner? We don't have another one. You have Mickey and he's upstairs. That's what you have. Your Mickey has a button. Oh no, he doesn't have a button, does he? Yes, he does. He has a button.
It's from the button on bird.
Sage likes pushing buttons.
Button on bird.
His button doesn't work? Does he need new batteries? Well, why don't you just ask me to put new batteries in him?
But mine need poppies.
You don't need poppies.
I need poppies.
Likes pressing buttons.
Mommy, I like pressing buttons too.
You like pressing buttons?
Mommy, Mom, I know worse. No, Pop? It's worse. I know worse.
You don't have one just like Poppy's? It's because they made Mickey in a car. I know, Santa got you that last year, huh? He what? You're taking it to bed with you? Green button not work?
I need poppies.
You don't need poppies.
I know how to Mickey.
What'd you do to your nose? Like a scratch?
Mickey.
Don't know what he did, but look what he does to Mommy's arm. Hold on. I want to show everyone what you do. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, look how scratched up my arm is. Because he likes to grab my hand. And he misses and grabs my arm. You know, like some kids have a security blanket or a favorite toy. He needs my hand. Say it. Hand. Hand. I know one day he won't want my hand anymore, but let me see if you can see this. Look how scratched up my arm is from him. Those are all scratches. It looks like we have a kitty cat or a puppy here. See all that?
I see, Mom.
You see him. Sage did that to me.
I not did that.
Well, yeah, but that's not nice that Sage did that to me, is it?
Oh.
He didn't mean. He was just reaching like this to grab for my hand, and he just scratches because he goes like that.
Mom, do you want my hand?
Do it with your hand? Hand! Here, I'll be Sage. Hand! 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 That's what he does to me. What do you want? We're not opening those now. It's time for bed. Not today. It is time for bed. You can play with that tomorrow.
No, not tomorrow.
Oh yes, tomorrow. We're gonna go to bed.
No, Tomorrow. No, tomorrow.
It's bedtime.
No, let's go back.
You ready for bed, little girl?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I didn't do the bed. I'm not ready for bed.
You're not ready for bed yet, but you were 3 minutes ago. And look at your eyes. They're so heavy. They're so heavy. So when I read to them and put them to sleep, he holds my hand in bed. And then he falls asleep.
No.
He needs my hand to fall asleep.
Play this.
Oh, I'm gonna tickle him. I'm gonna tickle him.
No, play with this. No,
Hand! 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 Hand!
Mommy, deep button. Deep button. Aren't you the cutest? Come on, no pop. No pop. No pop.
Your Mickey's upstairs in your bedroom. See? See? When are you going to outgrow this, Sage? Yeah, see my boo-boo? I'm going to have to cover my whole arm in Band-Aids from you. I gotta go to the doctor. For what? For my arm?
Yeah.
Nah. I don't think I need the doctor for that. What's that, honey?
Remember you talking about the doctor? Did you do that?
Something about Band-Aid?
Don't have to go right there.
Put the menu there. You gotta get it underneath it, bud. There you go. This is, I was organizing everything. This is my pile where I left off. Lana's gonna be put away and taken upstairs. What, buddy? Hey, do you want to tell everyone good night? On the table.
Mommy, I take dinner a lot of it.
Okay.
Eat something.
You eat something.
My man is cool.
You're the man that cooks. Oh, my little man. It's bedtime. The diner's closed. It's not a 24-hour Waffle House here. What does Minnie want for dinner?
I don't know. What do you want to eat, Mommy?
I would like a steak. $10 steak.
Hey, Mommy, I want something, and then me too.
Well, you've got to wait for your waiter to bring you the menu.
Mommy, I want egg on it.
Of course you do.
And egg on it.
You getting all that down? Oh, okay, I see. All right, you gonna go make our dinners?
And that's it.
What is Minnie ordering?
I brought her my that and that in her.
Well, you gotta tell Seiji.
Hey, Minnie want that and that. And I want that too. And then that, please. Take that.
You're a bossy customer.
So I need that to eat. It's having her to eat. Mommy, I want something. My teeth more.
Honey, that's ketchup. That's not strawberry.
I want ketchup.
Okay, but
My teeth, Mommy. My teeth.
you did it?
Hi, Mommy.
Good job.
I had to eat the hot dogs.
What do you have to do?
Hot dogs.
Hot dogs. Are you gonna try a hot dog?
Do I be big?
Well, how about this summer? Are you gonna try a hot dog at a cookout?
It's a bit, like big.
How about at Mimi and Pap's cookout? You gonna try a hot dog? Well, you'll be big then. You'll be 3.5 then. So that's big, right? You gonna put ketchup on your hot dog?
Yeah. And like this.
And on a bun, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the red one.
You want mustard too?
Red Barbie. I want this.
Well, I guess tune in on Memorial Day and see if she does that, because that'll be the next cookout.
And that's it.
And that's it. Man, she's not very nice, is she? Well, you gotta be nice to your waiter too. He works hard.
Oh. You said, Mommy, watch.
Did she just make a burp?
Yeah.
You gonna cook everyone's dinner? I guess he's just a waiter. He's not a cook too. You cut the cheese. You're burping and he's cutting the cheese.
Waffle.
Yeah, that's a waffle. What'd you just do? You burping again? Oh my goodness. Ah. Are you ever gonna deliver food? Sagey what? You had the hiccups. What are they called?
Hiccups.
She had the hiccups. Say it again. She got the hiccups. That's a good one, Pop. That's just as good as Archer saying cotton candy. Do you know how to say cotton candy?
Cotton candy.
Much better than Archer.
Cotton candy.
Cotton candy.
Mommy, you like candy?
You like candy? I know you like candy. Well, I guess we gotta order again. He can't remember what we want.
I got yours.
You never gave me any food.
But
What did I order?
Not know.
I ordered it a long time ago.
After Poppy's.
No, I ordered before Poppy. Poppy, how many times? This is gonna be your third time ordering.
I'm a dad.
I think you gotta go to the kitchen and cook it yourself, honey. Yeah, because Sage isn't cooking for you. Oh boy.
My booger. My booger. Mommy.
Yeah, babe.
Where is
I don't know.
omelet?
Where's the egg omelet?
Mommy.
There's your egg.
Mommy.
Yeah, there's your egg
I
omelet.
don't know which one.
That is French fries.
I know.
Vegetables.
I know how to turn it. Mommy, I know how to turn this.
You don't turn that. That doesn't turn, buddy.
Mommy, I want the egg on
If you turn on the other side, bud.
And that eat
You got your egg omelets?
Yeah.
You had to do it yourself, didn't you?
Yeah.
He doesn't deserve a tip, does he?
How do you turn it on?
I wouldn't leave him a tip.
How do you turn it on this way?
You just turn it. There's a knob down below it, bud. See the red knob? Turn it. We're in the stage where he can't do the simplest things, but yeah, he wants to do everything else. I can't do it, or I don't know, or I don't see something.
I had to pee with it. I
Oh,
go burp.
I don't hear him.
I did.
A burp is not hiccups, but you did have hiccups earlier. I know, the hiccups. The hiccups. You want to tell everyone good night? Say thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.